what's going on, guys? J Cobb here. So in this video, I want to talk about how to literally how to handle this stress that comes along with building a home-based business. This is something that many people don't really talk about in the industry. So I thought it'd be pretty cool to share a video on basically how I handle stress, and hopefully you can take some things from this video, guys, and that'll help you guys out. All right, so stay tuned. So hey, what's going on? Jermaine Cobbins here, and if this is your first time to my channel, be sure to do me a favor. Alright, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you take anything from this video, be sure to leave a comment below. Alright, Jermaine Cobbins, online network marketer, guys. I also help home business entrepreneurs to build their branding business using the power of the internet. However, there are instances, guys, where we are in a really high stress industry. Now, I know you may be thinking that, being a police officer, right? Being someone that's probably working in a law firm. But guys, being an entrepreneur, trying to make money from home, it can be very stressful, okay? I want to help you guys to really decompress, all right? I want to share with you guys 3 simple things that I do. And I believe it helps me, right? I remember coming into this industry and just like anybody else, guys, wanted to make money, right? And many of us come into this industry for that very reason. However, it doesn't always, start off that way. These are 3 things, guys, that literally I believe that has helped me to, just basically stay in the game. We lose people in this industry every day, yet there are people coming into this industry every day. There are many cases of people that that commit suicide, many cases of people that go through divorces, and people quit their jobs, just their whole life change, in pursuit of their dream, right? However, guys, some of us we're kind of in that medium of falling off the edge and staying in our mediocre life. But this right here, guys, I think this video is going to really help you guys to gain a lot more clarity along this journey. All right, the very first thing, guys, is this: the sooner you can get your mind wrapped around you're not going to make money in the beginning, the sooner you could begin to just say, okay, whew, right? Many of us come from situations that forces us to, make more money, right? Whether we lost our job, whether we have, our family has grew, sometime maybe have to relocate, whatever the case may be. Everybody comes from different backgrounds. However, we all get into this industry of, whether it's network marketing, making money online, entrepreneurship. We all do this for the financial and the lifestyle freedom, right? However, when we first start this journey, guys, money is not that thing that we begin to just make right off the bat. In many cases, if not months, and I've seen in years, people invest, putting money in, putting time in, headache, frustration. You still may not make a profit. I believe the very first thing that can help you to de-stress, kind of like just relax a little bit more, is understanding that, this is a journey. This is a process, all right? I have to become that person. I have to learn that skill. I have to do certain things for a period of time, right? Don't say, well, I'm not looking to make money my first year because I have to learn. Well, year 2, I want to start making 5-10 grand a month. It doesn't work that way. Just understand that it's a journey, right? And you begin to make money when you are ready to make money. Some people learn faster than others. I know we've heard and seen stories of people, never done network marketing, get into this thing, 6 months later make it 20K, right? And we think that works for all of us, but that's not the case, all right? So the sooner you can relax and just say, I may not make any money for a while, but I'm going to enjoy this journey. I'm going to learn the skills. I'm going to put in the work, and whatever happens, it happens, right? The sooner you can accept that and admit that and declare, you'll be, your journey begins to be a lot more smoother, all right? So the second thing is you want to find time to just go out into nature, right? Do things that take your mind away from work. You may want to go out and catch a movie. You may want to, put something on the grill. You may want to watch some football, whatever that may be, right? When I first came into this industry, guys, I wasn't even reading books, right? I remember coming across this guy by the name of Eric Thomas, and he said one of the things that he done to make time and sacrifice time was to turn away from the TV. Whether you guys know this or not, I actually went 5 years not watching TV. And I know it sounds crazy, but that wasn't the goal. I just said, you know what? Let me just try to go a day without watching TV, right? And that day led into a week. That week led into like 2 or 3 weeks, then a month, then 6 months. Then I went my first year. So I was like, man, you know. But within that year's time, I was a different person, right? I had actually started reading. I was getting some of my debt removed. And whether you know it or not, at this time, I wasn't even in network marketing. I think there was like a year or two before I even came into network marketing, right? Before I was even exposed. So I was already becoming that person before I was even exposed to a network marketing opportunity, all right? But the second thing, guys, is just learn how to just make time for yourself. Get in your vehicle and drive. Go to a park. Go to a lake, right? The more you make this a more frequent thing, it just helps your brain, because I remember staying up many nights, like trying to figure things out, right? I remember being asleep, guys, and in the middle of my sleep, it just something hit me. Like, oh, I know how to set this up, right? And I mean, it's been something I've been working on probably 6 hours, or if not 6 days. And then just wake up out of a dead sleep and going and cutting my laptop on. Like, it was really, really tough for me, guys, right? But overall, you know, I stuck it out and I learned some things to basically help me along my journey, all right? And the third thing, guys, is simple as this, man. Make time to exercise, right? You wouldn't believe the amount of endorphins, the amount of like stress that you can, you know, relieve from your mind, and not to mention that, but the benefits of just having not only just a healthy heart but a healthy mind and being able to sweat, right? Do something, guys. I'm not telling you to go out here and get a gym membership, okay? Do something that's fitness related, right? You know, get in your home office, you know, do some jumping jacks, do some push-ups, do some burpees, you know, do some up downs on some steps. Go for a small walk, and eventually let that walk lead you into a jog. That jog leads you into a run. The idea is you want to get active. Learn how to increase your activity levels, guys, because for some reason, I mean, I'm not a neurologist or anything like that, but it does amazing things. I've gotten some amazing ideas, guys, literally from a morning run or coming from a run, right? Going to the gym, you know, of course, to this day, I still work out, but that wasn't always the case. When I first come into this industry in 2015, I believe in early 2016, I took like a year, about a year and a half away from my fitness. I was so immersed into trying to figure this online thing out, right? And for those that know, not only just building your skill sets of prospecting, inviting, closing, follow up, then you transition online, so you learn how to do videos and capture pages and, you know, email marketing and deal with autoresponder. Like, you got all this stuff in front of you, and what I did, guys, I neglected my health, and I began to feel it, and it didn't feel good. This day, you know, I feel my best. This day and time, I feel my actual best. And I feel my best, guys, because I have a routine. Like, I don't get into work-related things literally till about 9 o'clock a.m. But I'm up at literally like 4:30, 5 o'clock every day, you know, from getting my breakfast, getting my meditation and my yoga. I'm going to the gym, in some cases going for a morning run. I come home, get a shower, get breakfast again. I read, I do these things, and then I dive into my day. And I find it by condensing that time early in the morning and condensing some time, you know, late at night, getting into bed early, it helps my productivity, because when you begin to understand this, you're just going to go through your phase. It's just some things just going to take time for you to learn. And I've learned that when I can start and end my day for myself, I'm better, I'm fresher, I'm more focused, and I work my business with the things that I know how to do. And you're going to have those moments where you work 3 or 4 hours of your business, and you may have an hour or two of development. But just finding those pockets and working those pockets, even getting an hour nap if you can, these things that really, really help you to be your best self. It helps you to decrease your decrease or minimize your stress level, and overall it'll help you to feel better about your journey, and in some cases speed up your results. All right, so Other than that, man, I hope you guys got value. Be sure to let me know which of these 3 that you're doing. Let me know which of these 3 that you were not doing. And if you guys would like to work with me, like to connect with me, there should be a link in the comments below or in the actual description below. And each and every video, guys, I give you guys a free resource. In this video here, I have a training that will basically show you how I structure my business, guys. Literally where when I get ready to go out of town, I have certain things set up where my business works for me, right? So, you know, that training is yours, absolutely free. The link should be somewhere in the description below. And I will see you guys on the next video. It's your boy J Cobb. Be humble, be consistent, be you. Hey guys, thanks for watching. For more tips and trainings just like this, head over to JermaineCobbins.com. Don't forget to download your free resource in the description. Also, leave a comment. I would love to hear your feedback. Like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe.